Hello guys, today we are going to solve the problem compare the triplets from HackerRank. This is an easy problem. In this problem we are given with two arrays and the array elements represent the score obtained by an individual for a specific category. In this case, like the first element represents the score obtained for problem clarity, the second one for originality, and the third one for difficulty. So what we need to do is here is that we are given with we are given the scores of two people. So we traverse through the array, and for each category we check who's got the highest score, and for the person who has got the highest score we award him with 1 point. And in the case both A and B have the same scores, then what we don't award any points for either of them. And finally we return the array containing the scores of both A and B. So let's start with the code. And we first initialize two variables to keep track of A score and B score, and initially we set it to 0. Then we create a for loop to iterate through the list, and we'll be iterating through the list 3 times since this is a triplet. But instead of using 3, let's go with the length of the list, so it can be used as a general case scenario. And during each iteration what we do is, like, if we check who's got the greatest score, first we check if A score is greater than B score. In that case we increment A score by 1, and we can continue on to the next iteration. If not, we'll check if B has got the greatest score, and in this case we'll be incrementing B score by 1. And if both A and B have the same score, then we don't need to do anything. We can just move on to the next iteration. And finally we return the array containing the scores of A and B. So score A and score B. So this should work fine. Yeah, good. Let's submit the code. Okay, so what we have done here is to create two variables to keep track of the scores of A and B, and we have set it to 0 initially, and then we create the for loop to iterate through the lists. And during each iteration we check if A has got the greatest score or B has got the greatest score, and increment their scores respectively. And finally we return the array containing the scores of both A and B. That's it. Thank you guys.